prolonger l'essence. Tu ris et tu joues avec un éventail te fichant de la fin de l'été. Tu t'impatientes déjà de la rentrée. Jusqu'à l'été prochain.
This isn't just Chaplin nibbling on a ball. This is a moment that'll pass. Unless it's captured for life. Making it a timeless memory. Get portrait-ready pictures with a 108 megapixel camera on the new Mi 10. Mi 10. Memories made timeless.
The mid-back and lengthen from the lower back.
Bruno!
Memories made timeless.
वो मेरा है।
The mid-back and lengthen from the lower back.
किसका है ना जाने। ओए! वो मेरा है।
Bruno!
किसका है ना जाने।
ये पूछो किसका नहीं है।
जब मिले पैच वॉल विद 20+ एंटरटेनमेंट एप्स, विविड पिक्चर इंजन और इंडिया भर सर्विस, आपका भी चॉइस होगा मी टीवी, इंडियाज नंबर 1 स्मार्ट टीवी।
नहीं है।
जब मिले पैच वॉल विद 20+ एंटरटेनमेंट एप्स, विविड पिक्चर इंजन और इंडिया भर सर्विस, आपका भी चॉइस होगा मी टीवी, इंडियाज नंबर 1 स्मार्ट टीवी।
My name is Ishwar. I lead the TV category here at Xiaomi. Thank you all for tuning in for today's launch event. I hope you and your loved ones are doing well and keeping safe. In 2018, we launched. Hi everyone. My name is Ishwar in India. I lead the TV category here at 30 months. Thank you all for tuning in for today's launch event. I hope you and your loved ones are doing well and keeping safe. Smart TV. In 2018, we believe we launched our first TV in India adoption, and in little over 30 months, in 2018, we have shipped over 5 million smart TVs in the country. 20% of the TVs you heard it right. We've shipped 50 lakh smart TVs. That number is and we believe this changed the course of smart TV adoption in India. The number one in 2018 smart TV when we launched in India. Less than 20% of the TVs that were sold were smart. And today, that number has increased to 55%. In the process, the number also become the number one smart TV brand in India. Have been the number I'm very happy to share that as per IDC's latest smartphone tracker for Q3 2020, Xiaomi remains the number one smart TV brand in India. Also, media colleagues we have been the number one smart TV brand in 10 consecutive quarters. In 2018, on behalf of the TV team, I would like to take this moment with our launch all our Mi TV series for 55 inch and also media colleagues who helped and supported us in this incredible journey. In 2018, we redefined last year the premium smart TV segment with our launch of Mi TV series for 55 inch quality. It boasted the world's thinnest LED display canvas with a thickness of just 4.9 mm. Next phase of evolution, we launched our 65-inch TV, which had the best latest quality and the audio quality in its class. Introducing a very large QLED TV today. 4K. We are entering our next phase of evolution in the premium smart TV segment with the latest flagship and the best TV yet. Introducing the Mi QLED TV 4K will be made in India. Make in India is a key strategic initiative for Xiaomi, And as of Q4 2020, I'm also 100% of the TV now we are selling in India. All the Mi QLED TV will be made in India. We hope to make in India more smart TV strategic initiative for Xiaomi in India. And as of Q4 2020, 100% of the TVs that we are selling in India are made in India. With QLED TV, we hope to drive more smart TV manufacturing capabilities in India. We've been seeing a significant shift in Mi fans' preference, seeking for a cinematic experience from their TV. We are confident that the Mi QLED TV will be able to offer you exactly that from the comfort of your couch.
And hello, Mi fans.
Talking about Mi
My name
fans,
is Sudeep.
who better than the in-house product
There is a
expert
lot
and
to
hardcore
talk
Mi
about
fan,
our new
Sudeep, to
product.
take us through
Let's get
the
straight
details
to it.
about the product.
Welcome to the
Over
launch
to you,
of our
Sudeep.
incredible. Thank you, Aishwar.
Mi
And
QLED
hello, Mi
TV
fans. My name is Sudeep, and I'm a product manager. Why 55? There is a lot to talk about our new product. So let's get straight to it. Welcome to the launch of our incredible Mi QLED TV 4K body ratio of 96%. Because it's a stunning 55-inch display to give you in a beautiful, slim, metallic visuals. You also get a stunning aluminum alloy body ratio of 96%. It also maximizes and engraves all the screen to give you a clear, beautiful, uninterrupted visuals. Looks supremely elegant. Premium aluminum alloy lines the frame of this QLED TV. It also sandblasted and engraved metallic with laser precision text. Its premium appearance. This ensures that your TV looks supremely elegant. It also takes the sophistication of your home setup texture up at the many notches along your ports. It also comes with a metallic stand. Mi QLED TV looks premium appearance. Should you prefer to rest it on a table? It next also comes with a carbon fiber texture at the back. It looks along your ports. Let me ensure that the Mi QLED TV looks stunning. Yes, whatever be your viewpoint. The magical display. Next, let's talk about QLED picture quality. This now if you thought that it looked good. Now let me take you through what you really hear. Incredible panel. Yes, I'm talking about what the magical display is on the Mi QLED TVs. This what we know as QLED TV particle. Now before I get into the specifics of our incredible panel, let me talk about what generates QLED technology is blue light. QLED TVs use what we know as quantum dot particles and a super tiny nano-sized particle, smaller wavelengths compared to colors, and generates red, green, and blue light. Now, the colors created by the nano-sized quantum dot particles are richer and purer color spectrum because they occupy smaller wavelengths compared to colors from a typical backlight system. What is now QLED TV allows for better saturated colors we have done and a wider color spectrum up to 100% cinema NTSC color gamut that Ishwar promised. So that's the Mi QLED TV brings to the table. Proprietary, vivid, what we have done here to ensure you get the flagship to give you the cinema grade experience that Ishwar promised. Well, now the Mi QLED TV comes with a proprietary on the QLED TV picture engine. What about clarity? This fine-tunes the panel to give you the picture quality that you absolutely need. This means, well, now that you know about the vibrancy of the colors on the QLED TV, what about the clarity? We're very happy to tell you that the Mi QLED TV also comes 4K panel. This means you get to 4 times as many pixels compared to a full HD TV. Our QLED TV comes with an ultra high definition viewing experience, and this TV also comes with the support of all the popular HDR codecs that you might know, which is such as Dolby Vision, HDR10 Plus, Mi TV HDR10, and this hybrid log gives you a smooth experience. This QLED TV also comes with reality flow, your favorite sports, which is something we introduced on a PC way back with a Mi TV 4X65. You'll never miss premium tech gives you a smooth experience to help render blur-free visuals while watching your favorite sports and cinema-like experience on a PC or console. Is of course, with this, you'll never miss another close run out or a strike from a distance. Great picture. Now when talking about entertainment and cinema-like experience, this one key aspect is of course speaker picture that we have built so far. Only makes half a speaker system is twice with great picture comes great responsibility. Well, to be precise, we are this 233% speaker system that we have built so far. On this TV, our speaker system is twice more as good when compared to a typical LED TV. And well, to be precise, we are vacuum 233% better. The speaker cavity is found on this TV 1 liter, 2.3 times more space than the size of most systems out there. It's really this additional acoustic vacuum ensures you have a huge cavity consists of 4 1-liter drivers with such and huge space for your speaker box, delivering what you get maximum output. It's really a fullest sound output. The MiQ LED TV has the best speaker setup frequency range, which consists of 4 full-range drivers, 60 Hz, and 2 dedicated tweeters, and delivering all the way up to maximum output 20 kHz, 30 watts. For those high notes, the MiQ LED TV has the best-in-class frequency range. It also supports Dolby Audio. It can go as low as 60 Hz, making it a well-rounded audio experience. And all the way up to 20 kHz. For those high notes, no longer have to worry about connecting. It also supports Dolby Audio and DTS HD, making it a well-rounded audio experience. And we know that what all of this means is that TVs out there in the market have to worry about connecting on any external speakers. With the MiQ LED TV, we have listened to our Mi fans here too. And we know that most of you think that the TVs out there in the market don't focus on good sound. With the MiQ LED TV, you get sound so good what makes that you don't need a soundbar. We are giving you that's coming from me. Great design, brilliant picture quality, and an amazing sound. But what about content itself? So that was our take on what makes a great viewing experience. We are giving you a great design, brilliant picture quality, and an amazing sound. But what about content itself? And today, Patchwall today is India's most two more comprehensive content platform, Discovery Plus, any smart TV. Lionsgate. We have integrated over 20 plus content partners. Also created and today a user center. We are very happy to announce that we are adding user center 2 more content partners. Shop for Discovery Plus, all your latest trailers and knowing about your favorite which will be coming TV very soon. But my favorite also created a user center on now Patchwall. You can create now user center is one-stop shop for watching all your latest trailers and knowing about your favorite major point TV shows. But my favorite is the watch list feature. The new MiQ now you can create watch list first TV in all the different apps to come with the latest Android TV 10 solves a major point by creating 10 one brings super watch a lot of under the new MiQ LED TV is among the first TV in India to come with the latest Android TV like the Google Assistant out of the box. Chromecast Android TV 10 brings like a lot of under the hood performance improvements, giving you big smoother, fluidic experience. And it's two of my favorite features like the Google Assistant and that's Chromecast built-in all this latest works like a charm. We understand that the TVs are a big investment. Not just one, we've also added support sweetness to make it next-gen consoles out of the future-proof TV. You also get this TV comes with HDMI 2.1 compatible ports and not just 1, 5.1 and all 3 ports to support some of the next-gen consoles out of the box. Which you also get a low latency mode support. This which gives you uncompressed the high fidelity sound mode, which is great for 5.1 and 7.1 surround. The MiQ LED TV has an extremely low input lag of just 5 milliseconds at 4K 60 frames per second. Faster than the old this TV ships with the latest MediaTek 64-bit quad-core Blue55 processor coupled with Mali G52 graphics RAM, which is 6.8 times faster than the old generation Mali 450. You heard that right. On the connectivity front, 2 GB of storage. We got this feedback from our fans to have dual-band Wi-Fi storage built 2 GB of comes with a QLED panel with 4K resolution, vivid picture engine, support for all the major HDR codecs out there, a superior 30-watt sound, summing it up 233% with a QLED panel capacity with 4K resolution and the best vivid picture engine, and one of the first TVs out there, all the major HDR codecs out there, a superior 30-watt sound technology with like 233% larger speaker capacity and a flagship latest and the best patch wall yet. Finally, and one of the first TVs out there with new Android TV 10 internal storage. Future-ready technology like HDMI 2.0 compatibility,
Thank you, Sudeep.
and a
We are truly
flagship
proud
quad-core
of the
chipset.
amazing package
And finally,
that we managed to put together with the Mi QLED
32
TV.
GB of
We are very
internal
confident
storage.
that it
And for the rest,
stacks up
I'll now
formidably
hand it back
against
to
the
Kishore.
competition in its space. Thank you, Sudeep. And now we are truly proud of the amazing package that we managed to put together with the Mi QLED HDR format. We are very confident that it stacks up formidably against the competition in its space. And now let's look at some of the best-in-class on the picture quality completing the cinematic all major HDR formats. Thank you, Sudeep. And now we are truly proud of the amazing package that we managed to put together with the Mi QLED massive format. Very consistent, completing the cinematic experience. We also have the superior future-ready sports components like HDMI 2.1, ALLM, ER, and a massive 32 GB of storage. Thank you, Sudeep. And competition, of course, as you can see, offers similar ALLM together with the Mi Command Premium Ultra. Very consistent. Without further delay, the Mi QLED TV 4K with a proprietary superior picture engine and 30-watt ALLM cinematic sound and the latest patch quality of over 20 plus content partners will be available at only ₹54,999. You can buy the Mi QLED TV starting 21st of December at 12 p.m. across Mi.com, Flipkart, Mi Home, Mi Studio, and soon it will be available across all our content partners. Starting 21st of December at 12 p.m. across Mi.com, Flipkart, Mi Homes, Mi Studio, and soon it will be available across all our offline retail partners. Thank you once.